Good afternoon, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, let's start. Open the page number 37. Open the page number 37. Take out your EVS textbook and open the page number 37. Chapter number 6, Safety Rules. Chapter number 6, Safety Rules. We had done take the correct answer and write true or false. We had done. Now C. Write safe or unsafe for the following. Today we will do next exercise. Write safe or unsafe for the following. C. Write safe or unsafe
दो मार्कर है देखिए
write
एक भाटिया में
safe or write safe or unsafe for the following. For the following. Number one, making a queue at the bus stop. Making a queue at the bus stop. हमको लाइन बनाना चाहिए बस स्टॉप पे. मेकिंग अ क्यू एट द बस स्टॉप. ये स्टेटमेंट सेफ है या अनसेफ है? मेकिंग अ making a queue at the making a queue at the bus stop. Making a queue at the bus stop. बस स्टॉप पे लाइन बनाकर चलना या लाइन बनाकर खड़े रहना सेफ होता है या अनसेफ होता है? सेफ. Right here, S-A-F-E, safe. Making a queue at the bus stop is safe. Number 2, Number 2, playing with sharp things. Playing with sharp things. Playing with sharp things. We should play with sharp things? No, because it is unsafe for us. Because it is unsafe for us. So what you have to write here? Unsafe. Sharp things के साथ खेलना क्या होता है? Unsafe होता है. हमें we should not play with sharp things. We should not play with sharp things. So here you have to write unsafe. Unsafe. We should not play with sharp things. So here you have to write unsafe. Then number 3, walking on the road. Walking on the road. Walking on the road. We have to walk on the road or not? No, we should not walk on the road. So this is unsafe. We should not walk on the road. So here you have to write unsafe. We should not walk on the road. रोड पर चलना चाहिए क्या हमें? नहीं, because it is unsafe for us. Because it is unsafe for us. So we should not walk on the road. We should not walk on the road. Number 4, taking medicines on your own. Taking medicines on your own. On your own. Taking medicines on your own. हमें दवाई खुद से ले लेना चाहिए? No. We should not take medicines on your own because this is unsafe for us. So Write here unsafe. We should not take medicines on your own. So these statements is unsafe. Here you have to write unsafe. ये हमारे लिए सेफ नहीं होता है. Number 5, playing with match boxes. Playing with playing with match boxes. खेलना चाहिए क्या मैच बॉक्स के साथ? मैच बॉक्स के साथ you have to play? No, we should not play with match boxes. We should not play with match boxes because it is unsafe for us. Because it is unsafe for us. So here you have to write unsafe. Playing with match boxes, it is unsafe. Making a queue at the bus stop. This is safe or unsafe? Safe. हमें बस स्टॉप पे क्या करना चाहिए? लाइन बनाकर खड़े रहना चाहिए. Playing with sharp things. Sharp things के साथ खेलना चाहिए? No. We should not play with sharp things. So it is unsafe for us. हम अगर sharp things के साथ खेलेंगे तो हमें चोट लग सकती है. So this is not safe. Walking on the road. रोड पर चलना चाहिए? No, we should not walk on the road. So this statement is also unsafe. Taking medicines on your own. Medicines खुद से लेना चाहिए? No, because it is unsafe for us. Now last, playing with match boxes. Playing with match boxes. मैच बॉक्स के साथ खेलना चाहिए? माचिस के साथ खेलना चाहिए हमको? No, because it is also unsafe for us. Because it is also unsafe for us. So write down in your notebook these exercise. Write down in your notebook. Write neat and clean. Write neat and clean. Now D. Cross the thing should not use. Look here. Cross the things should not use. आपको उन चीज़ों को क्रॉस करना है जो कि हमको यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए, जो हमें यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए. Look here. This is scissors. This is scissors, ball, bat, knife, teddy bear, balloon, screwdriver and blade. So here you have to cross the thing that should not use, जो हमको use नहीं करना चाहिए. Scissors. Look here. This is scissors. We should use scissor. No, we should not use scissors. So cross it. Scissors क्रॉस इट, सीजर्स को आपको कट टॉस करना है. देन नेक्स्ट बॉल, वी कैन प्ले विद द बॉल, वी कैन प्ले विद द बैट. नेक्स्ट नाइफ, next is knife. We should play with knife? No, we should not play with knife. We should not use knife. So cross it. Knife, you have to cross it. Then next, teddy bear. Teddy bear, you can play with the teddy bear. Balloon, balloon also we can use. We can play with the balloons. Now next, screwdriver. Screwdriver, it is also harmful, so we should not use screwdriver. We should not use screwdriver. So you have to cross this, cross it. Now next, blade. We should not use blade also, so cross it. Scissors, knife, screwdriver and blade, we should not use. These things we should not use. Scissors, knife, screwdriver and blade, we should not use with these things. We should not use these things. Okay? Scissors, knife and screwdriver and blade. Cross it. These four things we should not use. Okay? Now answer the following questions. Complete it fast. Then we will write question answer. Complete it fast. Then we will write question answer. Write heading, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Write heading, answer. Answer the following. Following questions. Answer the following questions. First, where do you cross the road? Where do you cross the road? Where do you cross the Where do you cross the road? Road कहाँ से क्रॉस करना चाहिए? कैसे करते हैं रोड क्रॉस? Question is, where do you cross the road? रोड कैसे क्रॉस करते हैं? कहाँ से क्रॉस करते हैं? Right answer. रोड कहां से क्रॉस करते हैं? वी क्रॉस द रोड. आंसर. We cross the road at the zebra at the zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. Full stop. You cross the road. Question is, where do you cross the road? Answer. We cross the road at the zebra crossing. Next. Question number 2. How many colors are there in the traffic light? How many colors are there How many colors are there in the traffic light? In the traffic light. How many colors are there? You know now? There are 3 colors in the traffic light. Right answer. There are 3 colors in the traffic light. The traffic There are 3 colors in the traffic light. Red, yellow and green. Right names also. Red, yellow and green. Full stop. Question is, how many colors are there in the traffic lights? कितने colors होते हैं traffic light में? 3. There are 3 colors in the traffic light: red, yellow and green. Copy it fast. There are 3 colors in the traffic light: red, yellow and green. Now, third one. What is first aid? Question number 3. What is first aid? First aid क्या है? What is first aid? Question mark. Now write answer. The immediate medical, the immediate medical had to help to the immediate medical help to an injured person is called first aid. What is first aid? The immediate medical help to an injured person is called first aid. मतलब अगर किसी को चोट लग जाती है तो तुरंत जो उपचार करते हैं हम उसको बोलते हैं फर्स्ट एड. So your question answer had done. Now in next class we will take new chapter. Copy it fast. Copy it fast. In next class we will take new chapter. Okay, you have to write down in your notebook and write neat and clean. Okay children, bye bye, take care.